I installed this power cutoff device on a 2024 Transit cargo van about 2 years ago, and it worked fine until now. For some reason, it's causing a short. It's not keeping a constant connection when you screw it down, and so it'll give you a symptom like the battery is bad. Took this off, hooked the power line directly to the battery terminal. Van crunk up, no issue. Put a battery tester on it. The battery tested fine, fully charged. This was the culprit. eBay special, power switch cutoff. Worked well for 2 years, and it gave up the ghost. I tried cleaning it, and still had the same issue. So I think what it is over time this plastic knob gets weak and it cracks, and it's a small hairline crack in it. And I did try to super glue it, try to see if that would help. Still had an issue. So yeah, I guess it's time for me to fix the real issue instead of just putting a band-aid on it. Now let's go find out where the power drain is coming from. Y'all be blessed.